So there are a few more questions to Sabyasachi, and it's a rapid fire. Okay. So have you ever been betrayed by someone from your inner circle?
Yeah. It's a very common thing, betrayal. Hate.
Would you want to name?
No.
Okay. So do you think the fashion industry is still elite class?
एलिट क्लास ପାଇଁ ଫ୍ୟାସନ୍ ନେ ଫ୍ୟାସନ୍ ଶସ୍ତା ବି ହେଇଗଲାଣି ଯୋଉଟାକି ମିଳୁଛି ଅନଲାଇନ୍ ସୋ ଲୋକ ଭଡ଼ା ବି ନେଉଛନ୍ତି ଅନଲାଇନ୍ ବି କିଣୁଛନ୍ତି ସୋ ଏଲିଟ୍ କ୍ଲାସ୍ର ଫ୍ୟାସନ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଭେରି ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ
Have you ever been judged for being too bold?
always been but there are two kind of people some go away from my life and some love me more and stay forever so being judged
So being people going away from you, is it hard to you?
no not at all जो माने तुमको जज करंती
Jealous.
जहाँ भी जज करंती they are not supposed to be there because your friends will never judge you
Correct. So do you think reality shows are scripted? You have already
few reality shows are scripted Big Boss is not at all scripted
So it's like real whatever we are.
because 165 70 170 cameras ସେଥିରୁ କେତେ ଦେଖେବ edited ହେଇଯାଏ ବହୁତ
Have you ever worked with someone who really has effortless, who you secretly can't stand?
have I worked with anybody that I secretly cannot stand ମୋର ମନେ ବି ପଡୁନି ସେମିତି କିଛି
Okay. Current scenario ଯଦି ଆମେ ଓଡ଼ିଆ celebrity को pick କରିବା, so how you will judge them?
some people are very rude some people are very nice some people only get in touch when they need and they got work so the celebrities that we have here are yet to see what is stardom because they have not ventured to that level of
Yes,
celebrity.
correct. Yes.
so 80 amara I'm sorry but they are doing very good work but गां को सिंगर ना की जानती
हाँ, exactly.
so हो से
Easy access. Ever lost a project because of favorism or politics?
yes I have lost Make in Odisha which I was supposed to be getting that project and मैं पूरा prepared थी ये जो high fashion on Kondua and
You already started design.
I had already worked on it and everything and then I know that there was some politics and it was given to somebody else.
So do you think most influencer fashion these days is a copy paste?
Everything in life is copy paste.
So who are the Odia actress especially who inspire you, who you like the most?
But one versatile actress is Suryamai who carries everything beautifully. There's another beautiful actress who's Elena who wears everything confidently and creatively.
Yes.
And बहुत particularly choose करके पिंदिया वाला होची अर्चिता.
Yes.
These three had been very close to me and they had been looking gorgeous in my outfits.
Nice. So have you ever faced homophobia in the industry?
Oh, lot of times. Although
How you face this?
the industry is the industry cannot run without homosexual people, but there had been people those who were homophobic. But that's okay. कि तुम जो डरिला तुम डरिया दरकार नहीं तुम डरुचंदी काहेकि सेटा क्लियर करिया दरकार and you move on. You live your life as you wish.
So have you ever regretted trusting someone especially in the media industry?
There are many those who give you false promises, those who tell you what can be done and everything. And हाँ करची will get back to you. हाँ करची हाँ चलची and they बहुत समय बीती जाए. So media industry is full of fakes and lies. That's not an issue.
Or do you think fashion awards are biased?
Where are the first fashion awards? Nationally गोटे दिटा जो होची those are very nicely
But
done.
in Odisha, if you will see, there are lots of fashion awards, fashion events, they're back to back, where I have seen you also.
Yeah. There are these events and all this stuff. Biased कहाँ को अब? तमे तम ग्रुप को धरी कल्ला. तमे जब ओडिशा as in general नहीं था तो voting करता था.
Exactly.
तमे से माने को बिस्से जाने हो
So
चेष्टा
you
करता.
called, you just awarded.
You called and you awarded. So it doesn't make any sense.
Yeah.
Either तमो के sponsor कल्ला, ना तो तमरो के सांगो साथी.
So do you think fame can be toxic?
Fame can be very toxic.
Why?
Depends how do you handle it. जन जन को टिके फेम मिलले से माने बहुत उतरंती बहुत कथा कहती बहुत मन मन भाभी दियंती बहुत किसी अचीव करछन बोली कहना से स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट एंड जमती नुआ नुआ धनी लोक बहुत शो करते पैसा सो सेमती सो इफ यू डू नॉट नो हाउ टू हैंडल फेम इट कैन बी वेरी टॉक्सिक.
So Sabyasachi, today you are not here in my podcast. The name is Big Dreamers. Everybody has a dream. Everybody's dream is different. So what you feel good or bad about the show?
Oh, I feel good because first of all the name, like as you said, everybody has got a dream and even I have a dream and I have many dreams. And through Big Dreamer, this show, this podcast of yours, I wish everyone to achieve their dreams, work on their dreams, and become successful and happy.
Thank you everyone. Today we had our very energetic, dynamic and fantabulous, fantastic Sabyasachi Satpathy with us. So please watch this episode full. Do subscribe, like and share. Thank you.